Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And first of all of you thank you who are supporting us. And we are preparing for RRB PO and Clerk 2022. And daily in evening, I am providing daily to-do list for both PO and Clerk. And start your preparation from today onwards with confidence. And if you have any doubts, join my Telegram group. And I will provide that link in description. And I hope you are all following my daily to-do list. And we have to become our support and strength. So start your preparation and let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. And tomorrow is day 6. So as usual, early in morning, revise all basics of each subject like tables, squares, cubes, alphanumeric values, formulas, etc. So on daily basis, revise all basics of each subject and don't forget to revise basics of each subject. And after that, give 1 hour for reading daily current affairs. And who are beginners, they can prefer from Adda 247 or Grade Up. And who are already preparing, they can prefer from Affairs Cloud or Study IQ. So on daily basis, read daily current affairs. And after that, give 1 hour for watching editorial video. And there is a live class from Adda YouTube channel by Santosh sir. So on daily basis, watch an editorial video from Adda 247 YouTube channel. And after that, attempt a clerk prelims exam from one of your source. And after attempting it, analyze your weak areas where you are lacking and note down all your weak areas and make timetable according to your weak areas for the next day preparation. And after that, give 1 hour for each subject of quant and reasoning for practicing pre-level. And today we watched video for the topic of quadratic equations. So tomorrow, practice PDFs or attempt quizzes, and we have many practice PDFs and also quizzes are there. So use all those for our pre-level. And also for reasoning section, we watched a video for the topic of syllogisms, and tomorrow practice PDFs or attempt quizzes for that. And in SmartKida and Practice Mock, we have so many free quizzes. So attempt all quizzes for our pre-level. And in afternoon, who are beginners, they repeat the morning schedule like practicing PDFs for your weak areas where you are lacking. And we have many free PDFs and quizzes from many apps. So who are beginners, they all use all those PDFs for your pre-level, and those are very helpful for our pre-level exams. So use all those PDFs and attempt quizzes. And who are preparing for mains, and today we watched videos for the topic of data sufficiency for quant mains. So tomorrow attempt quizzes for that. And also for reasoning mains, attempt quizzes for critical reasoning. And also for English mains, attempt quizzes for parajumble topic. And in many apps we have many free PDFs and also quizzes. So attempt all quizzes for our mains preparation. And after that, give 1 hour for each banking awareness and computer awareness. And in banking awareness, we completed first topic, Indian economy. So tomorrow, read banking system of India topic from 14th page to 19th page. And also for computer awareness, we completed introduction of computer. So tomorrow, read computer architecture from 12th page to 19th page. And these two PDFs are in my Telegram group, and you can check from my Telegram group. And after that, in evening also, give 1 hour for reading current affairs. And today we read April 2nd week current affairs. So tomorrow also read April 2nd week current affairs from one of your source. And after that, attempt a PO prelims exam from one of your source. And after attempting it, analyze your weak areas where you are lacking and make timetable according to your weak areas for the next day preparation. And that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. And also I will provide all the links and PDFs for these daily to-do list topics in our Telegram group, Your Bankers Mantra, and I will provide that link in description. So join my Telegram group for more daily updates and also for latest updates. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates and latest updates. And thank you.